Hi, what's up? How is it going? So that video we are going to be designing a Jotter for this woman. Actually, what we are going to be using to design this was actually downloaded from freepik.com, frweepik.com. Go online and search for this particular file. Actually, it's what's it called, AI generated wedding invitation. It's a kind of what's it called, templates. You can go there and type wedding invitation AI. Most definitely you're gonna find a tons of invitations to choose from, so that you can use that for your own project. So right now let's step into it. So mind you, we are going to turn this to gold. Actually, the client wants gold and purple, so we are going to turn this image around. So let's step on it. So right now what we needed to do is to go ahead and just ungroup this file. Actually, it was downloaded from freepik.com. It's actually what's it called, let me show you how it goes. Downloaded, it's a what's it called, PSD file. That means Photoshop file. You can actually download that from freepik.com. It comes in a folder. This site look like. So we have your Photoshop file, then the image file. So if you downloaded it, most definitely this is what you're gonna really find in it. So let's head on. So right now ungroup the file, then let's delete the text in it, because it's a template. You can use it anyhow you want. So we were left with this image. So as this right now, what we needed to do is to go ahead and just convert this to bitmap. So mind you, as this right now, a dialog pops up, then you choose grayscale. Wait a while for that to initiate. Bam, can you see that? So right now let's head over to change the page to A5. So right now let's double click on this, what's it called, rectangle tool. Double click, automatically it snapped into your page. So the next step right now is to look for gold, because it's gold and purple. That's what the client wants. So right now let's head over and change that to gold. This is gold. So right now let's bring in this image. So as if right now what we're going to be doing, we make a copy of that. So let's head over to rectangle, transparency tool rather. Click on that, then you head over to the sub menu of it. Each tools has its own what's it called, function. It has sub functions under it. So let's assume you have your, click on shadow, so the taskbar change immediately. So we are not going to use that. If you, let's for example again click on rectangle tool, you can see the taskbar, the taskbar automatically changes. So that's that. So let's head over to transparency tool. So what we are going to do right now is to head over to this place and change the blending mode to subtract. Can you see that? Let's choose multiply. So that multiply is a little bit dull, so let's head over to select subtract. So right now what we're going to be doing is to just power clip this into place. So let's go ahead and right drag that on top of the image, then you click. That's the first step. If you really want to go to the next step, actually we have two options in which to power clip. So let's head over to object. That's the second option. So locate power clip, then hit on place inside frame. Most definitely you're gonna have an indication shows up asking you where do you want to power clip into by indication of an arrow. So can you see the arrow right there? So let's click where we want to power clip the image into. Most definitely automatically it's going to snap into the object, just like so. So right now what you needed to do is to hold out key, then select the image, hold on, select the image, then adjust to fit in the way you want it to go. So right now we are good with this. So right now let's make a copy, then go ahead and convert that to bitmap. Then so right now choose RGB, it's okay, good. Then you go over to adjust, then hit on tone curve. Most definitely a dialog pops up, then you pull this angle up. So right now we are fine tuning the image, so let's pull this down. Good, can you see that? Can you see how stunning it is? So that's the way to maneuver images, you know, to look stunning. So you just have to know how to maneuver images to suit your needs, so that you can have a stunning look of your design. So let's hit OK. So right now what we're going to be doing is to just extract this out. We don't need a dull image anymore. Delete that, then let's drag this in to replace that. Good, bam, can you see that? So right now what we're going to be doing next is to add, you know, some kind of flare in the middle, so that we can have our text, you know, clearly looking. So let's head over to ellipse tool, create the perfect circle right there. So what we're going to be doing now is to make this, you know, let's make it gold. Add a little bit of yellow into that, so set outline to none. So what we're going to be doing now is to convert to bitmap. It's okay. So right now head over to bitmap again, then you locate your what's it called, your blur, then hit on Gaussian blur, wait a while for that to initiate it. Okay, bring it out, let's see how plain it is. So right now head over to your what's it called, transparency, to click on that. So right now, right from here, you're gonna choose a screen mode. So so right now make it bigger, then go ahead and make a copy in the, so group the two together, group, then make a copy of that layer again. There you have your lighting background. So let's go ahead and just power clip that into place. Group, power clip into place, power clip. So hold on key, release your key, and adjust to fit in just like so. So as if right now you can still make a copy, convert to bitmap. So we are giving it a little bit of edge by bitmapping again, convert to bitmap. It's okay. Then you go over to what's it called, wait a while for that to initiate, then go ahead to effects, adjust, then locate tone curve. So right now let's perform magic right here. Put this angle up just like so, a little bit lighter. Can you see that how that affect the image? So let's drag this point downwards to see how stunning it is. Can you see that? So pull it up again, so that to be a little bit lighter. I think I prefer this. It's okay. That's goldish champagne color. So right now let's extract this, delete that, then power clip this into the right place. So we are going to make use of this. So that's how to do that. So let's bring in the image of the, let's delete all of this, we don't need that anymore. Power clip the model, then hold out key, release your key, and adjust the picture of the old woman just like so. Good. So right now let's bring in the text to effect that. So right now go ahead and make this trijan, all of that. Then you go ahead, let's reduce all of this, hit Ctrl K to break it into pieces. Let's put in this, so we just have to make it, you know, simple. So right now let's just, you know, celebration of matrash. So it's okay. So hit Ctrl K to break that into pieces. Let's make this a bit bolder, then let's go ahead and just zoom up, hit Ctrl K again, then bring this, you know, very close. So right now what we're going to be doing is to make this, gonna infuse into this M, So how do we do that? So go ahead and select your uh rectangle, add rectangle tool, then range it, range the hem just like so. Hold shift key, select the text, then trim. So there you have that. So let's just make this a bit smaller. So we're gonna make this purple, set the outline to none, then center back. So let's make this white. So right now what we needed to do now is to just make this a bit long. So with the help of your shape tool, let's have it, space up with that. So let's center it within. Good. So let's group that, center it all up with the image. So right now what we're going to be doing is to just arrange the name of the woman. So let's have this, break, enter from there, then go ahead and hit Control, hold on Control, then tap on K to break that into pieces. Most definitely it splits. So right now let's enter right from here, then let's go ahead and change the font to Futurati. Let's bold in all of that, hit Ctrl K to break it into pieces. Then let's make this a bit wider. Go ahead and close the tracking with the help of your shape tool, just like so. Good. Let's select the JP, the bold that, then let's have it, purple. Tap on blue, then hold Ctrl K on keyboard, then you tap on red so that it could change to purple. Can you see the outcome? So let's go ahead and just give it a gradient effect with the help of interactive fill tool. Click on that, then you drag. So what you're gonna be having is to change the downside to gold. Can you see that? Can you see that effect? Go ahead and center all of these within the text, then take it up a bit, then let's debold this. Good, nice one. So reduce this a little bit, center it all up within the image. So right now let's go ahead and change this to excuse me. So right now what we're going to be doing is to just bold the etc so that will be distinctive. So all you need to do is to head over to your shape tool. Let's include the tracking a bit, then let's have a center within the name. So right now let's change this to Futurati as well. Then let's have that a bit smaller, center all of that within the range of the background. There you have that. Good. So let's adjust the name of the woman a bit, then let's give this a bit, breathing space in between the celebration of Matrash and the name of the woman. There you have that. Good. So right now we are done with the front Jotter. So let's have the back, so what we needed to do is to point your mouse to the tip of the object, just like so. Then you hold on Ctrl key, flip to the other side. When you flip, right click to copy paste. Automatically it's copied. So right now what we're going to be doing is to extract the whole thing, extract the content, bring that aside. Then let's have the back change to a very stunning gold. Go ahead to your CorelDraw tool. So let's sample gold color right from here. So let's pour it at the back. I think that's nice. So let's go ahead and just right click on that, locate frame type, then let's have it none. So that will be disappeared. So let's make a copy of the model. So let's go ahead and convert that to bitmap. Hit on convert to bitmap. A dialog pops up, then you choose right from the drop down menu, choose grayscale. So right now hit OK. Most definitely it's going to change the appearance of the picture to a grayscale. There you have that. So let's go ahead to select transparency tool, Then go ahead to this place. Let's change the blending mode to overlay. That's not nice. Let's choose subtract. So in this case right now, what we're going to be doing is to hit on uniform transparency to have a lighter look of that picture. So right now, let's Powerclip that into place. Then let's go ahead and adjust the picture by holding Alt key, select picture, release Alt key, and adjust the fade in the way you want it. So let's make the picture bolder. Zoom down. That's too bold. I think this is nice. So right now, what we needed to do, give it space a little bit. Then let's type thanks for coming in capital letter. Thanks for coming. So what we're going to be doing is to just debold the thanks for the bold. Right from there, then hit Ctrl K to break that into pieces. Go ahead, set outline to none. Then let's have this a bit bolder, make it wider. Then let's reduce this. Thanks for coming. Good. Center it all up. Then let's reduce it. That has to be at the right hand corner. Let's give it left alignment. There we have that. So here we come to the end of the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the button below subscribe, and don't forget to hit that like button so that you can benefit from what we have shared so far. As I always say in my channel, see you in the next video. Mind you, become a member of this channel, by really, subscribing to that, on this platform, and I'll be glad to have you on board. So see you in the next video. Bye for now.